Bitcoin uses mining. Ethereum uses staking. But what does that actually mean? Today, I'll explain proof of work versus proof of stake in simple English, with real-life examples and no technical confusion. If you're new to crypto, this video will clear everything up. Let's start with proof of work, or POW. Proof of work is a system where computers compete to solve puzzles, to verify transactions, and add new blocks to the blockchain. This process is called mining. Simple example: imagine a math contest. Whoever solves the problem first wins the reward. That's how Bitcoin mining works. Why do people trust proof of work? Pros: very secure, time-tested, used by Bitcoin. Hard to cheat. Cons: uses a lot of electricity, requires expensive machines, not beginner-friendly. Proof of work is powerful, but it's also resource-heavy. Now, let's talk about a proof of stake, or POS. Instead of mining, users lock their crypto, this is called staking, to help verify transactions. The network then chooses who gets to validate blocks based on how much crypto is staked. Simple example: think of a security deposit. You lock money to show you'll behave honestly. That's proof of stake. Pros: uses much less energy. No mining machines needed. More beginner-friendly. Cons: you need crypto to stake. Some systems have lock-in periods. Proof of stake focuses on efficiency instead of competition. Let's compare them quickly. Proof of work, proof of stake. Mining, staking. High electricity use, low energy use. Expensive hardware, no hardware. Competition, participation. Both systems aim to do one thing: secure the blockchain. They just do it differently. So which one is better? There is no best system. Proof of work equals strong and proven. Proof of stake equals efficient and beginner-friendly. What matters most is understanding how they work, not jumping in blindly. Quick recap. Proof of work equals mining and puzzles. Proof of stake equals staking and locking crypto. Both secure the blockchain. Different methods, same goal. If you understand this, you've taken a big step in learning crypto. If this video helped you understand proof of work versus proof of stake, hit like, subscribe to Block Basics, and comment POW versus POS below.